The little button ain't going in? Shut up. Come in there for a second. Yeah, the buttons work. You have to push it.
How did you get that in when we couldn't get it in? What'd you do?
I just pushed it with my finger.
We were trying to push it in.
Maybe it was pinned up against it. Maybe you're pushing too hard. I pulled it out, made sure it was working, and then put it back in. Maybe there's too much pressure to put it in, maybe.
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact rather than take it. Cause we just want retribution. Let's go light up the darkness. Make true of an empty promise. Flip cards in the weekend, harmless. Take to the streets and turn them to a mosh pit. Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.
There's a slight grade break right there in front of the steps. It levels out a little bit and then it starts tailing off a little more. Come back up a little bit. Okay, go. Let me hand you this bar here real quick, Chad. Tell me when you got it. You got it? One bad thing about those is it separates the aggregate and you get almost guaranteed crack there. So if you don't put it where there's a control joint, you need to stitch some aggregate back together. Totally worth it though. Chad, I appreciate you always being reliable, man. Old reliable. You deserve a cookie. I'll take a cookie. I'll buy you a cookie on the way home, right? Yeah. And Ted too. I'm lucky to have you guys helping me out all the time. Okay. Oh, Chad, get a kicker on. Well, we want it to be straight with what we got with the other side. Yeah, we might need to, yeah, if we gotta put a pin or two down it, straighten her out. Yeah, sure, spread it around. Keep it close so we're not walking in it. Well, I don't know. Do we want it close or do you want it far away? Where do you want it, man? Yeah, just right up close to the board. 2 inches to the left. Oh, man. Yeah, right, same day. Wet setting them. Yeah. Heck yeah. Okay. Dang. Yeah. Cool. Right. Yeah. Chad! I know, how did it get that back? Jacoby Meyer Fritz. That's for danger. I think it's Clyde too, man. Like this tool will be like put in like that, you know. Yeah, the bottom will be clean. Like, dude, you didn't notice the 3 pounds of concrete on top of it? Yeah, but yeah, he was a concreter. Me and that guy rotted mountains of concrete together. Chad! I got it on camera too. It's fine, don't worry about it. He just gave his house a little belly button. Yeah, clean it out. Move it in, shit. Move it in, shit. Say something amazing. We got all of our lines cut in there nice and straight. Might give it a few minutes and start troweling it out.
'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration.